Hello everyone. Let's see important articles in today's newspaper, that is January 19, 2021. First, let's come to the side column. This uses of no relevance, as this is political news. And regarding this Covaxin, nothing is there in the article. Only the heading you have to remember that the Covaxin need to be used restrictively, and the people with allergy, fever, and poor immunity need to be avoided. That's it. And regarding the data given in the table, this is not at all important for the exam, because as the vaccination is going on, this data tends to change. So regarding this farmers rally, they wanted to have a tractor rally during the Republic Day, but the police wanted to stop, and now it is in the Supreme Court. In that ruling, Supreme Court says that entry issue is a law and order issue which should be dealt by the police. So nothing is there in this, so you can avoid this also. And regarding this, again, this is about Covaxin vaccines. Only means all the health workers, as they are frontline warriors, they are not at all interested to take the vaccine, because due to the adverse reactions reported, and also to the rumors, doubts on the efficacy of the vaccine. So this is also not important. Only the heading you can see what is there in the topic. This is not important. Just remember that fewer health workers turn up for the vaccine. That's it. And Delhi schools are open, and this is not relevant. You can skip this. And while coming to the page 2, there is no article is important with relevance to the exam. So even in the page 3, this is political news, and this is about the schools opening, which is not required, and all these are not required. So second page and third page completely you can avoid in today's newspaper. And fourth one is fourth one also there is no important news, and moreover this is a classified space, so you can avoid that fourth page also. And regarding the fifth page, and there is some Arnab Goswami WhatsApp leak chat, but nothing has been decided by courts or government. You can avoid that. Anyhow, that will be reflected in some days editorial. And see, these random adverse reports you need not study. This will save your time. And regarding road accident, this is not necessary because no NCB data has been given. So now comes the editorial page, which is so challenging and important. So you can say, I'll first say what the articles are not important. Regarding Putin and Russia, one article was there with the name Poison Prison. There is nothing to read about it, so you can avoid it. And regarding this article also there is nothing to read, only just the points which have been underlined you can see, because this is regarding to the apprehensions in taking the vaccination. So it's a mass campaign obviously, and it is a voluntary. Without people's agreement this cannot be done, but voluntary participation is less. So why this has happened? Because lack of transparency. This article is saying nothing is there, just the underlined article underlined statements you can see. And one being the third to pass during a pandemic. Here there is an article, it seems big, but this is not so important. It is saying as minimum distance has been recommended for the normal people during COVID, but prisoners is living in very congested conditions in the prisoners, So the Gopalakrishna Gandhi, who is the author of this editorial, he's saying that some humane treatment need to be given so that prisoners should be decongested. So the underlined statements can give you what all are important. Here I have marked the important articles and something about the Prisoners Act of 1984, and this is some NCRB report that is out of 4.5 lakh prisoners. Our correctional homes, the whole total 3.3 lakhs are under trial prisoners. This is important, and one is the amendment to Code of Criminal Procedure Act 2005 that you need to remember. Rest all you can avoid. With this you can understand the context, much is not necessary. And here mining in India equals selling the family goal. The other is criticizing the government for allowing more mining with less price. So in this you can see this paragraph how it is unsustainable, why this is unsustainable. And one more is third article. So and one more thing is state government should ensure the full value of the extracted minerals. And one suggestion he is giving, like Norway, the entire mineral sale process must be saved in future generations fund. This is really very good point which you can say. And one below paragraph says one judgment similar to the Norway future generation fund named Goa Iron Ore Permanent Fund. This also you can make it underline. And one more thing is, see, by distributing the dividend among all the people, how it will help, that this paragraph on fire mining, this is really good. This is a six-fold economic boost. It's saying 6 positive impacts will be there. So these two paragraphs are enough that nothing is more important. And this article, how comorbidities make COVID severe, this article is really technical. You can see the microbe name is SARS-CoV-2 and metabolic diseases, and whether COVID is infectious and blood carries oxygen, such kind of biological facts are there which UPSC can ask. So mark this entire how comorbidity make COVID severe article fully important, and try to understand the terms and try to underline the important words. And don't doubt Indian vaccines, there is nothing important. The other is saying just don't doubt Indian vaccines and where vaccination should be done. After that only we will be knowing whether vaccines are working or not. But this apprehension should not stop people from taking vaccination, because there is no other solution. That's it. So you can strike out. And the limits of Biden, it's with respect to US new president, which is not relevant now. So you can. And he is saying Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is among the cheapest vaccines in use around the world. So this is important. And one more thing is this manufacturer's names, because UPSC don't know, you can expect the match the following with the vaccines with the manufacturers also. Just take a note out of it. And the other things are not relevant, you can leave it. And so coming to the 8th page, there is nothing, no important, not a single important article is there. And coming to the 9th page, no important article has been there. Nothing important articles. These are the important articles and nothing more important. So this is the end of the day.